Hello viewers, welcome back to Brain Sizzlers. இன்னைக்கு நாம பார்க்க போற வீடியோ once again a continuation of past percentage calculation. இது வந்து type 3. Okay, so let me write it down. Past percentage calculation type 3. Okay, so இது யாருக்கு relevant ன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, so as I said earlier, most of the MBA entrance exams la ipo konjam intriguing questions kekranga. Percentages la particularly romba twisted linear equation involve ஆற மாதிரி questions கேட்கணும்னு நினைச்சாங்கன்னா இந்த questions obviously கேட்பாங்க. சரியா? Past percentage calculation type 3. Okay, so in the question oda format generally பாத்துங்க, we will take a typical example. So as I said earlier, MBA entrance exams, Olympiad, then most of the bank exams is relevant இருக்கும். So normal curriculum la kuda hard question la idu kekkiradhukana vaayippugal irukku. Let's get back to the question. A typical example. Okay, so let a person A score 50 marks ahead of the pass mark. Score 50 marks ahead of pass mark, and which is nothing but 60% of the entire mark, which is 60% of total marks. This is our primary data. Second data is, let another person B score 50 marks less than the pass mark. So basically இது ஒரு positive deviation, ஒரு person positive deviation from the pass mark, another person negative deviation from the pass mark. Another person B score 50 marks less than the pass mark, but which is nothing but 40% of the entire total marks. So இதுதான் data நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So what we need to find out, calculate the pass percentage for which the examination was conducted. Calculate the pass percentage. Okay, now let's go for solving this one. Okay, so how to solve this one? First we will follow the conventional approach. Very conventional approach la in the problem, let us face it. Okay, so A is scoring 50 marks ahead of the pass mark. Okay, so total marks, let me keep it as X. Total marks X. Now A is securing 60% of the total marks, right? Okay, so X into Y by 100. But the X என்ற data நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So let us make use of that. X into 60 by 100. Okay, X into 60 by 100 will give the original mark of person A. But X into 60 by 100 is 50 marks ahead of the pass mark, right? So X into 60 by 100 plus 50 will give the pass mark. So let Y denote the pass mark. But வந்து நம்ம Y pass percentage தான் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க. So let us keep Y to be the pass percentage. Okay, to make it more relevant. So pass percentage na, so how will you write this one? X into Y by 100, pass percentage. Okay, So x into 60 by 100 plus 50 will give x into y by 100. X into y by 100, which is nothing but the pass mark again. So either y will denote the pass percentage. Okay. So either two unknown variables are there, obviously. Okay. So we will simplify this one to make one meaningful expression. 60x plus 5000 by 100 equals xy by 100. So this 100 gets cancelled out. Let me name this as equation number 1. Okay, so this is with respect to person 1. Person 1 order data we have catered to the needs of person 1's data. Now let us go into person 2's data. Person 2 பத்தி என்ன data இருக்கு? He is securing 50 marks less than the pass mark, and out of the entire total he is securing 40%, right? So x into 40 by 100, x into 40 by 100. See, he is securing 50 ahead of the pass mark. So ideally what we should do here, you have to subtract 50. So இவர் வந்து pass mark கூட அதிகமா வாங்கியிருக்கார். So we need to subtract this one. So this is basically subtraction. Okay, and the other one who is securing less mark, அவரோட 50 mark add பண்ணாதான் pass mark வரும். Okay, so again x into y by 100. This is our equation 2. Okay, so this negative here, this positive here. இவர் தான் positive deviation. இவர் positive deviation from the pass mark. So pass mark கூட equate பண்ணதுக்காக I am putting a minus here. இவர் தான் negative deviation from the pass mark. So in order to make up with the pass mark, I am adding 50 here. Okay, so 40x. So again go for LCM. 40x plus 5000 whole divided by 100 equals xy by 100. Okay, so mark this as some equation number 2. The other one we have marked it as equation number 1. So இப்போ xy க்கு பதிலா 6x minus 5000. You substitute 6x minus 5000 in equation number 2 in the place of xy. 6x minus 5000. Okay, so bring this, sorry, this is 60x minus 5000. So bringing this here, minus 20x equal to minus 10,000. So x amounts to 10,000 by 20, which is nothing but 500. So the examination was conducted for a total of 500 marks. அது ரொம்ப crystal clear தெரியுது. Now we need to find the pass percentage. Okay, suppose this equation we will take it as standard. இதுல இந்த x ஓட value substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா y கிடைச்சிரும். I am substituting the value of x, which is 500, in equation number 2. So what happens? 40x plus 5000 equals x into y, but instead of x here, let us go for substituting 500. So 40 into 500 plus 5000 will give 500 times y. So y in the பக்கம் retain பண்ணுவீங்க, everything else on the other side. So what happens? 25,000 by 500 no. So y is nothing but 25,000 by 500, 250 by 5, which is nothing but 50%. So the pass percentage for which the examination was conducted on the 50%. But if we go about solving in this conventional method, it's quite laborious. Obviously தெரியுது உங்களுக்கு இது ரொம்ப laborious இருக்கு. So there is one simple shortcut formula for solving this one. So what is that? Simply pass percentage. This is applicable only when there is one net positive deviation and another negative deviation. x1 y2 plus y1 x2 by x1 plus x2. So what is x1? x1 is positive deviation. Positive deviation absolute. எத்தனை மார்க்? பாசிட்டிவ் deviation absolute. ஸோ நம்ம கேஸில் இது எத்தனை? 50 மார்க். y2ங்கிறது percentage of the negative deviated person. Percentage of negative deviated value with respect to the total. With respect to total. And then of course x2 is negative deviation. Negative deviation absolute. So எத்தனை மார்க் பாஸ் மார்க்லேருந்து டிவியேட் ஆயிருக்காரு, அதான் நம்ம நெகட்டிவ் டிவியேஷன் சொல்கிறோம். நெகட்டிவ் டிவியேஷன் அப்சல்யூட். பாஸ் மார்க்லேருந்து 50 மார்க் குறைச்சி எடுத்திருக்காரு, அவர் 50 மார்க் அதிகமாக எடுத்திருக்காரு. ஓகே, பாசிட்டிவ் டிவியேஷன் அப்சல்யூட், நெகட்டிவ் டிவியேஷன் அப்சல்யூட். ஸோ y1 இந்த இடத்துல பர்சன்டேஜ் ஆஃப் நெகட்டிவ் டிவியேஷன் ஃப்ரம் வித் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் டு டோட்டல் எவ்வளோ? 40%. இதுதான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. பர்சன்டேஜ் ஆஃப் பாசிட்டிவ் டிவியேஷன் வித் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் டு அப்சல்யூட். With respect to absolute. So which is nothing but 60%. So pass percentage P in vechikittingina, so what are all values we need to substitute? 50 into 40 plus 50 into 60 whole divided by 50 plus 50. If solve panningina, you will get the same 50% as the net result. Thanks a lot for patiently listening. Have a nice day.